Want to welcome you back. Cincinnati police are trying to come up with a solution to mounting traffic and pedestrian safety problems in the city. One possible fix? Speed cameras. In a memo last month, Chief Elliot Isaac said increased traffic patrolling just isn't working. He said the department is exploring getting handheld speed cameras. If you're caught speeding, the camera takes a picture of your license plate. Then you get a citation in the mail. City Council member Greg Landsman says the cameras could help save lives.
It makes a big difference in terms of whether or not we are enforcing our traffic laws, our speeding laws, and getting people to slow down, which at the moment is a life and death thing.
The cameras are not without controversy, though. Some people say there are a lot of questions surrounding the legality of those devices. Joining me now is Steve Magus, a trial attorney based in Anderson Township. I want to thank you for being here. What are your primary legal complaints about these and the potential of using them?
Well, as someone who got a ticket, I started,
not here, of course.
Not here, no, but in Dayton some years ago, and I started looking at the legality of it. And the way it works up there is you just get a thing in the mail. It looks like spam mail, real mail.
Sure.
We almost threw it away, and we start looking at it. It's like, gee, this is like a speeding ticket, but we couldn't remember getting stopped, and I was driving my wife's car, and it just seemed odd, so I started researching the legal side of it a little bit. And the main concerns with the programs like that are that they define it as a civil matter rather than a traffic matter, and what that has the effect of doing is stripping away all the constitutional protections from you get in any kind of a criminal or traffic case. You can't, you know.
So what protection would you have in a typical traffic case that you wouldn't have?
You don't have
to
testify against yourself. They have to prove that you were the one driving the car, you were the one who sped, and my wife wouldn't get a ticket because I was going too fast. So in this case, I was driving her car. It took the picture of her license plate, sent the notice to her, and it said, gee, if you want to fight this, fine, but you have to rat out who was driving. So, which you don't have to do.
Can you understand why they're trying to, I mean, they're taking a look at speeding among other things and trying to slow folks down?
Absolutely, and I'm a big advocate of that. And my real life as a bicycle and pedestrian advocate, we know that speed kills. So we try to find things that slow cars down, and there's a number of traffic calming devices that have been used throughout the city and around the country, different narrowing lanes, putting in roundabouts, putting speed bumps, doing different things with the design of the roadway, rather than just having a 45-mile stretch for 2 miles from stoplight to stoplight or something.
Okay, we have about 20 seconds left. If you had a crystal ball, where do you think this is going to go?
Oh, I think the speed cameras will come, and as long as there's an officer standing there with the camera, that makes a big difference. It's when a company comes in and makes money by issuing tickets, that's when the real problems come. That's what Judge Rollman had a problem with in the Elmwood case. Well,
it will certainly be something we are keeping our eye on.
Me too, me too.
All right, thanks for being here and for sharing your perspective.
Sure.
All right, from one Steve to another now. Actually, I have one more thought here. If you'd like to read more about the speed camera proposal, check out Pat LaFleur's story. That is on our website, WCPO.com.